Okay, so first suppose, so if I have a button, if I have a button, button on click, so my function, I am creating one function, my function, so then close button, so click, so then, so whenever I am, if I want to change the colors of all the paragraphs, document, sorry, mm, function, my function, so then document dot get elements by tag name p, right? Paragraph dot style dot color equal to gray. Okay, now you can see here I am writing, so straight away I am applying the orange color for, so this one my id, so then remaining paragraphs I am applying the green color. 87.html. Okay, what happened? The green color is not working. So then we have to apply one by one. We have to give the one by one only. Okay, so then I am giving the element by id. So this one, sorry, just give me a second, I will check. Elements by tag name. So here this is written in the array, right? So that's why, so we have to give one by one element by id. Okay, it is changed. Okay, so this way we can apply the CSS. So we are having a syntax called, we can apply only one by one only style dot color. For suppose if you want to apply the font size, so then again style dot font size 30 pixels. What happened? My font size is not working. Okay, font size. Okay, so this way we have to apply it if we want to add the multiple things. Clear? So then next one after CSS, so then we can add the animations. How we can apply the animations? Where is this one? So this is the one, same thing. We can take it. So 88.html DOM animations. Okay, so first suppose I have one div. So div id equal to my div. So then, okay, so then first one, where is this one? Here I am creating style equal to, okay, so div hash div my div, right? My div. So then a width equal to 200 pixels. Okay, so then height equal to 200 pixels. The next one, position relative. Okay, so then why I am giving the position relative will let you know. So background color gray. Okay, so this is my div one. So another I am creating another div. Okay, so my div one. So then hash my div one. So then, so width equal to 30 pixels. Okay, so then height colon. Okay, so then 30 pixels. Okay, so then background color orange. So then position. So when I execute this one, so you will see 88.50 mm. See this way. So I want to place this div to above. So if you want to show that one, so position, if I give the position relative to this one, where it will appear, so same thing. So I want to overlap to this div. So at that time I have to give the position absolute. So then now you can see happen. Not save my div one. Yes, div okay. You can implement position relative position absolute. Correct కదా? మరి ఎందుకని వెళ్ళట్లేదు అంటే
సార్ బాటమ్ సమ్ పిక్చర్స్ అట్లా ఇవ్వాలి కదా,
బాటమ్ ఏమి అవసరం లేదు.
అంటే ఇన్సైడ్ డ్యూస్ అయితే సార్.
This one also apply. ఇంకోట్లే okay, right? So these two elements are separate, so that's why it is coming like that. So if we can place inside of that one, inside of that container, so then we can overlap it, right? So if you won't write the absolute for this one, okay, you want to apply these things, so it will not overlap. Okay, so then how we can animate this one? How we can animate this one? So for suppose if you want to animate this one, I have one button div. Inside this div button, okay, so then on click to animate. So then on click equal to, so then my click is the function. Okay, so then here I am writing the script. Okay, so then I am writing the script for this function my click. Okay, so first let id equal to null. So then after that we are getting the value of that one. So let element equal to document dot get element by id. So then my div1. Okay, so I'm getting this value. So first position is I'm moving to that one. First pivot is position equal to 0. So it is starting from 0, 1, 0 only. So then clear interval. So if any intervals are there, so I'm clearing. Then after that, id equal to id equal to set interval. Set interval is a function. So then, okay. So for every 5 times I am increasing the position of that one. So then I'm calling another callback method inside of this set interval. So set interval, set a timeout. So we have to call call only callback methods, right? So then function my call. Okay, if pos equal to, initially we are defining the 0, right? We are defining the 0. So then it is 170. Okay, here our first div width is 200, another div width is 30, right? So that's why I am animating this one. So remaining width I am taking. So okay, so 170 pos, then clear interval. So then id. Okay, so then if it is moving to down, so then after reaching to 200, so then I am stopping this interval. Okay, so or otherwise it is keep on running, or otherwise first time what I am saying, if the position equal to 170 and this 30, this div width is 30, that means, so when the position is 30, so then I am taking to the, I am applying the clear interval. Okay, so then or otherwise else I am moving to this one. Okay, I am moving to this one. So pos keep on. So so every time I am calling every 1 second. Every 1 second I am calling element dot style dot top equal to pos plus pixel. So then element dot left pos dot pix. So then we can see now. This is the first function, this is the second one, this is the third one. So then we have to call this callback method. We cannot call like this. So we are calling as a callback method, we have to call like this only. So then now you can see. Okay. This function is calling first thing alert. So then one is fine, one is calling. So then after that we are calling in my callback. Something is running, but it is showing call is not defined. It is saying call is not defined. Okay, this is fine. So something we can place it. Function is running. Two is coming fine. So then happen here. Set interval, my call is calling. So then we can place the alert here. So it is not coming to this one. It's coming to inside of this one. Yes. Why it is coming inside of this one? Let t go is equal to 0. Then clear interval ID. So then why it is calling? Okay. See now. Okay. So first time you can see. First time it is having the 0th and 30th position, right? So whenever we are having, it is having the 0 and 30th position. Top is 0th and left is 30th position. When I am clicking, it is moving to this corner bottom. So what we said, so left equal to, so we are keep on increasing the position, and left position also we are keep on increasing. Okay. So then if you can see this one, whenever it is reaching to 170, whenever it is reaching to 170, so then we are stopping, we are clearing that interval. Okay, now you can see. Okay, something is that. Okay, here also we are placed. Every time it is calling. Okay, see after reaching, it is getting, so this one. After position equal to 170, so then interval is clear. Okay, so this is the way we can do the animation with DOM elements. Animations we can do, animations also. Okay, so what next topic? So then events we already discussed in this one, right? So whatever the events we are having, mouse move, this one. So it can support, so it can support all these events. When user clicks on the mouse, when web page has loaded, so when image has been loaded, when mouse moves on over an element and an input field is changed, an HTML form is submitted, and user store keys. Okay, so all the events, whatever we discussed, so all those events can support. Okay, all those events is support. So the next one is the remaining. We are having two topics, then nodes, then how we can find the child element inside of the parent DOM. What are the node list? What are the collections? Previously, when we place a new 84.html, so here if you can see console, here we are having the node list. Then after that we are getting the collections also. So then how we can see those node list and collections? So then we can see tomorrow remaining thing. Okay, so we are having the DOM elements, we are having the, so these things we are having. So another 10 to 15 minutes it will take. So then after that we are having another two more classes only in JS. Where is 22 next important topic is regular expressions. Okay, so how we can use the irregular expressions. So then after that, final thing is APIs, JavaScript APIs. How we can work with the browser APIs. We are having the two different type of APIs, web APIs and server APIs. Okay, so we can work with the browser APIs. Okay, so these are the we are having web APIs and server APIs. It depends on the backend technology. Okay, so another two classes are there. So then after that we can start the JavaScript jQuery. Okay, then fine, thank you. So we'll connect tomorrow.